In today's fast paced world, cars have become a necessity rather than a luxury, leading to an interesting trend. People are keeping their vehicles longer, valuing durability over frequent replacements. This shift is reshaping the auto industry. As the average lifespan of cars increases, so does the demand for reliable maintenance and repair services. This growing need is revitalizing the auto repair sector, especially for independent repair facilities. These businesses are stepping up, becoming vital players in a market that thrives on precision and trust. In this documentary, we'll explore how car longevity is driving a surge in maintenance needs. It's not just about fixing what's broken, it's about preserving what we value. With every oil change and tune up, these facilities not only keep cars on the road, but also support their communities. Join us as we uncover the stories and strategies behind this booming industry. Next, we'll dive into the statistics that reveal how much of this market is dominated by independent repair shops. In today's evolving automotive landscape, the demand for repair services is rising. As more car owners keep their vehicles longer, independent repair facilities have emerged as industry leaders, capturing over 70% of the repair market. These facilities are not just filling a gap, they are redefining the standards of car maintenance and repair. With their growing presence, independent shops offer personalized service and expertise that larger chains often cannot match. This dominance reflects their adaptability and commitment to customer needs. As the auto repair industry expands, these facilities are at the forefront, driving innovation and providing opportunities for skilled mechanics. Join us as we delve deeper into the stories of these thriving establishments and the dedicated professionals who power them. From bustling workshops to customer testimonials, we'll explore what makes independent repair shops a cornerstone of the automotive world. Stay tuned as we uncover the challenges they face and the strategies they employ to remain successful in a competitive market. This journey into the heart of the repair industry is just beginning, with much more to discover. Meet the unsung heroes of the auto repair world, the mechanics. These skilled individuals are the backbone of the industry, tirelessly working to keep our vehicles in top shape. Each mechanic has a unique story, a journey fueled by passion and a commitment to excellence. From early beginnings, tinkering with engines, to mastering the latest technologies, their dedication is unwavering. Imagine the hands that delicately fine-tune an engine, those that diagnose complex issues with a keen eye and intuitive understanding. It's their expertise that ensures our cars run smoothly, allowing us to travel safely and efficiently. In the bustling environment of independent repair shops, these mechanics find a sense of community and purpose. They thrive in an atmosphere where skill is honed and every challenge is met with innovation. It's this spirit that drives the industry forward, making independent facilities a dominant force in the auto repair landscape. As we delve deeper into their personal stories, we see how their passion translates into success, not just for themselves, but for the entire industry. Join us as we uncover the heart and soul of auto repair, the mechanics who make it all possible. Stay with us as we explore the challenges they face next. In the bustling world of auto repair, independent facilities have carved out a significant slice of the market. Yet, despite their success, these establishments face challenges. At the forefront is fierce competition from dealerships, which often boast brand-specific expertise and resources. This rivalry pushes independent shops to innovate and adapt, ensuring they remain relevant and competitive. Adding to the complexity is the rapid pace of technological advancements. As cars become more sophisticated, repair facilities must keep up with the latest tools and training to handle intricate systems. This technological evolution demands continuous investment in learning and equipment, stretching the resources of many small shops. But these challenges are not insurmountable. Through resilience and innovation, independent repair facilities continue to thrive, proving their worth in an ever-evolving industry. Their ability to adapt not only highlights their dedication, but also underscores the critical role they play in keeping our cars on the road. Stay with us as we explore how these facilities embrace change, turning obstacles into opportunities for growth and success in the following segments. In today's fast-paced auto industry, staying competitive means embracing the new and the innovative. As technology evolves, so must the mechanics who keep our cars running. To thrive, they must adopt new tools and techniques, continuously learning to master the latest advancements in automotive repair. This isn't just about keeping up, it's about leading the charge in an industry that's rapidly changing. For independent repair facilities, innovation is more than a buzzword, it's a survival strategy. The landscape of auto repair is shifting, and only those who adapt will find success. Mechanics are now more than just hands on experts. They are tech savvy problem solvers, ready to tackle challenges head on. The key to staying relevant? Continuous learning. Whether it's understanding complex computer systems or embracing cutting edge diagnostic equipment, the path forward is clear. Innovation and adaptation are the cornerstones of a successful repair business. As we delve deeper into the world of auto repair, we'll explore how successful facilities harness these changes to their advantage, creating loyal customers and thriving businesses. So join us as we continue to uncover the stories of those who are not just surviving, but thriving in this evolving industry. In the bustling world of auto repair, independent facilities have carved out a significant niche, capturing over 70% of the market. But what sets the successful ones apart? Let's delve into the strategies that propel these repair shops to thrive. Firstly, it's all about customer loyalty. By offering unparalleled service quality, these shops build trust and establish long-lasting relationships. Moreover, these facilities often adopt innovative approaches to cater to evolving customer needs. Equally important is their commitment to community. These shops are more than just places of business. They are vital components of local neighborhoods. As we explore these strategies, it becomes clear that success is not just about fixing cars. It's about building a reputation, nurturing loyalty, and continuously adapting to change. Stay with us as we uncover more insights into the opportunities awaiting skilled mechanics in this thriving industry. In today's rapidly evolving auto repair industry, the demand for skilled mechanics has never been greater. As cars stay on the road longer, the need for expert hands to maintain and repair them grows exponentially. For those entering the field, this translates into a wealth of opportunities waiting to be seized. Independent repair facilities, which now dominate over 70% of the market, are on the lookout for fresh talent. Mechanics with specialized skills are becoming the backbone of these thriving businesses. Their expertise not only keeps vehicles running smoothly, but also drives customer loyalty and trust. With each repair, they contribute to a larger narrative of innovation and resilience in the face of technological advancements and industry challenges. The auto repair sector is not just a job, it's a career path filled with potential for growth and success. As we spotlight these opportunities, we see a landscape ripe for new mechanics ready to make their mark. Join us as we continue to explore how these professionals are reshaping the industry, one repair at a time. Stay tuned for how these facilities impact their communities and what the future holds for aspiring mechanics. In the heart of our communities, independent repair facilities do more than just fix cars. They drive local economies forward. These small businesses are a lifeline, offering jobs and opportunities where large franchises often overlook. By choosing local repair shops, car owners inject vitality into their towns, supporting their neighbors and fostering a sense of community. These establishments not only offer personal, attentive service, but also reinvest in their surroundings, sponsoring local events and nurturing aspiring mechanics. Their impact extends beyond economic statistics. They create bonds that strengthen neighborhoods. Mechanics from these shops often become trusted advisors, guiding car owners with expertise and honesty, building loyalty that spans generations. As the industry evolves, these facilities remain steadfast pillars, adapting and thriving through community support. They embody the spirit of local entrepreneurship, proving that success isn't only measured in profits, but in the positive change they inspire around them. As we continue our journey through the auto repair landscape, let's remember the vital role these independent repair shops play in keeping our communities vibrant and connected. Up next, we explore the future trends shaping this dynamic industry, so stay tuned for more insights. As the auto repair industry evolves, exciting trends are emerging on the horizon. The future is bright with innovation at its core. As vehicles become more complex, the need for advanced repair techniques grows, creating opportunities for growth. Independent repair facilities are poised to lead this change, embracing new technologies and sustainable practices. Electric and hybrid vehicles are becoming more prevalent, requiring specialized skills and tools. This shift is reshaping the landscape, offering new prospects for mechanics willing to adapt. Additionally, the integration of artificial intelligence in diagnostics is streamlining processes, making repairs more efficient and precise. Beyond technological advancements, there's a growing focus on customer experience. Repair facilities are not just places to fix cars, they're hubs of community engagement and trust building. These trends signal a promising future for those in the industry, with potential growth areas expanding rapidly. As we look ahead, the auto repair sector stands at the forefront of change, driven by innovation and a commitment to excellence. The journey continues, and the opportunities are endless. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these developments in the segments to come. As we conclude our journey through the dynamic world of auto repair, let's reflect on the key insights we've explored. We've seen how the growing lifespan of cars has fueled a demand for maintenance services, and how independent repair facilities have captured a significant share of the market. The stories of dedicated mechanics have highlighted the passion and skill driving this industry forward. Despite challenges from competition and technology, these facilities continue to innovate and thrive. The future of auto repair is bright, with ample opportunities for skilled mechanics and a significant impact on local communities. We hope this documentary has informed and inspired you about the exciting developments in auto repair. To stay connected and continue learning about this ever-evolving industry, we invite you to engage with our channel. Subscribe, share, like, and comment to join our community of auto enthusiasts and car owners. Your support helps us bring you more insightful stories and industry updates. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.